How to fix Valorant failed to launch error? For this first step, restart the device, close the Valorant and your client, open up Task Manager, search for background running app. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely, both real client and Valorant. The next step, run real client as administrator, right click real client, click properties, click compatibility, enable run the program as administrator, click apply and OK. After the next step, search for run and type the following text services.msc, click enter. The services settings you need to scroll down and search for VGC, right click, click properties, and the startup type should be in automatic and the service status should be in running mode. Make sure the startup type should be in automatic or manual, it's no problem, but the service status should be in running mode. Click apply and OK. And one more time, right click and restart it. Close it. Open up real client. Click profile icon. Click settings. This page will open. In this, you need to click Valorant. Scroll down. Click repair and start repair. It's nothing but it's actually verifying your game files. If there is any corrupted file having means it will rectify it. Once complete after, a pop-up will appear successfully repaired. Click OK and move on with next step. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click it. Click allow an app of users through Windows Defender Firewall. Click change settings. Scroll down and search for real client and Valorant. It should enable in both private and public. If it's not enabled means you can enable it. If the application itself not having means you need to add the application. Click the allow another app in the bottom side you have seen. Click it. Click browse and you can add it. For easy method, go to C drive, Riot Games, Riot Client, and go and get the application. Click it and add it. You need to add both Riot Client and Valorant. Click add in the bottom side. I already have, so I skip it. You need to click add and click OK in the bottom side. After completing, close it. If it's still not working, means you need to uninstall the Riot Vanguard. Open up Riot Client. It's automatically asking to install the Riot Vanguard.